Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Danish Razif Shazani from the class H25 and my metric ID is MS2315113121, and this video is about my chemistry individual assignment of chapter 3 periodic table. So for this video I will be focusing on gallium. So gallium has a proton number of 31 and its electronics configuration is as shown, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2 and 4p1. So based on its electronics configuration, we can actually predict the position of gallium in the periodic table. So since the last orbital that is filled with electron is in the p orbital, we can conclude that gallium is located on the p block of the periodic table. Next, the highest principal quantum number of gallium is 4. Therefore, we can tell that gallium is located on the fourth period of the periodic table. And lastly, gallium has 3 valence electrons. So we add 10 to 3, we get 13. And thus, we can tell that gallium is located in group 13 of the periodic table. So now, let's compare the size of gallium with the other elements of the same period. So on the left side of gallium, we have cobalt, we have nickel, copper, and we have zinc. And as we can see, it is located in the d block, which are transition metals. So when electron is added to the inner 3d orbitals, the number of electrons in 4s orbitals remain the same. So since number of inner electrons increase, hence the shielding effect also increase. However, at the same time, across the period, number of protons also increase, thus effective nuclear charge also increases. The effect of increasing shielding effect is cancelled out by the increasing of effective nuclear charge. Therefore, the atomic radius of atoms is not significantly changed, so the size remains constant. Now on the right side, we have germanium, arsenic, selenium, and bromine. And across the period to the right, proton number of the elements increase. As proton number increases, effective nuclear charge also increases. Hence, the attraction between nucleus and valence electron increases. Therefore, the atom's size will decrease. So now moving on, suggest the stable ion formed by gallium. So as I said before, gallium has 3 valence electrons. This means that it needs to donate 3 electrons to attain a stable octet configuration. Therefore, the stable ion formed by gallium is gallium ion with a charge of positive 3. So now let's compare the radius of the atom of gallium with its stable ion. So let's look at the table. The effective nuclear charge of gallium atom is positive 3 compared to gallium ion with effective nuclear charge of positive 21. So since gallium ion has a higher effective nuclear charge than gallium atom, the attraction force between nucleus and valence electron will also increase. Therefore, the ionic radius will decrease. Hence, gallium ion is much more smaller than gallium atom. Alright, now on to the last question. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form oxides. Write the equation for the formation of sulfur trioxide. So as shown is the equation for the formation of sulfur trioxide. We have sulfur combined with oxygen and we get sulfur. That is all from me. Thank you very much.